Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Dita Savitri with NIM 2015. Want to show New Zealand country about politics, economy, government, social and culture. Okay, get started.
Okay, first is the economy. Economy in New Zealand. New Zealand has one of the strongest and most stable economies in the world. The country has diverse economic sector, including agriculture, manufacturing, tourism, and financial and banking service. Agriculture is one of the main economic sectors in New Zealand, with sheep and cattle being the main commodities. The country also produces other agriculture products such as milk, meat, fruit and vegetables, which are exported to various countries around the world. Tourism also plays an important role in New Zealand economics. This country is famous for its natural beauty, including mountains, lakes, beaches, and wild nature that attracts many tourists. Tourists contribute significant revenue to New Zealand economics. In addition, the financial and banking service sector is also important in the New Zealand economy. Auckland, the economic capital of the country, is the largest financial and banking center in the country. The New Zealand Stock Exchange also plays an important role in the country's financial markets. Even though New Zealand's economy is strong, the country is vulnerable from challenges such as fluctuation in commodity prices, climate change, and global economic turmoil. However, the New Zealand government continues to strive to strengthen the country's economy through various policy measures, including increased innovation, investment in infrastructure, and efforts to diversify the economy. And to politics in New Zealand. In the political context in the city of New Zealand, there are several things that need to be understood. System of government. New Zealand has a parliamentary system of government with the Queen as the symbolic head of state and Prime Minister as the head of government. City government in New Zealand is led by a city council which is elected by local residents. Election and city government election to the city council are held every year in New Zealand. Over the age of have the right to vote, political parties are usually not directly involved in municipal election. The winners of the city council election will form a city government that is responsible for the provision of services and city development, such as infrastructure, transportation, waste management, and other related with the central government. City governments in New Zealand work closely with the central government on various strategic issues such as urban planning, environmental regulation, and other important policy issues. The central government provides direction and financial support to city governments to implement the programs that have been set. Community participation. People in New Zealand are strongly encouraged to participate in the political process in their city. This can be done by voting in elections, attending public meetings, participating in public consultation held by the city government to explore community opinions and aspirations. Please note that politics in each New Zealand city may have different dynamics depending on local circumstances. Therefore, it is advisable to visit the official city government website or contact local authorities for more information about politics in specific New Zealand city. 3. Government in New Zealand. Government in New Zealand is constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system. This country has a democratic political system and follows the Westminster system, similar to the political system in the United Kingdom. New Zealand's head of state is a monarch, currently held by Queen Elizabeth II. However, the role of the monarchy is only ceremonial, and the actual government is run by a government led by the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of government who has executive powers. The Prime Minister is elected by the political party that wins the majority of seats in Parliament. After a general election, the Prime Minister is responsible for the running of government and forms the cabinet. The New Zealand Parliament consists of the two institutions, namely the House of Representatives and the Council of Lords. Legislative Council. However, the House of Lords has not functional since, and now New Zealand only has a one-member parliamentary system. Members of Parliament are elected through general elections, which are held every 10 years. Parliament has an important role in making laws and overseeing government activities. The government must be accountable to Parliament and answer questions and appeals from members of the Parliament. In general, the government in New Zealand is known for its high principles of the transparency, accountability, and public participation. The country has developed an efficient system of government and has a high level of public trust. 4. Social and cultural in New Zealand. New Zealand society and culture reflects its multiculturalism and balance between its rich Maori tradition and Western cultural influences. Here are some important aspects about the social and culture in this country. Multicultural society. New Zealand is a multicultural country with a population that is made up various ethnicities and cultures. People from various backgrounds live side by side in harmony and respect each other. Constant migration brings new cultural diversity and tradition to this country. Maori cultural. The Maori people are the indigenous people of New Zealand and play a significant role in the social and cultural life of the country. Maori cultural influence can be found in art, music, dance, language, and indigenous tradition. The Haka, the Maori war dance, is one of the most famous cultural expressions. Sport spirit. Sport plays an important role in New Zealand culture. The most famous national sport is rugby, where the All Blacks national team is very popular and respected. Apart from rugby, cricket, football, netball, and water sports such as surfing and sailing are also popular in the country. Nature conservation. New Zealand is known for its diverse natural beauty, including mountains, lakes, beaches, forests, and fjords. New Zealanders are very aware of the importance of protecting their natural environment, and conservation efforts are heavily emphasized. Many green spaces, national parks, and nature parks are closely guarded. Individual freedom. New Zealand is reflected in the spirit of individual freedom, inclusion, and tolerance. The country is known for its high level of press freedom, women's rights, gender equality, and awareness of the rights of the LGBT community. These principles promote an atmosphere that is inclusive and welcoming to all groups in New Zealand society. Art, music, and celebration. New Zealand has a rich artistic and musical tradition. New Zealand artists and musicians have produced work that is recognized internationally. In addition, this country also has various festivals and celebrations that are colored by art, music, dance, and culture, such as the Maori Culture Festival and the New Zealand International Film Festival. This is only an overview of social and culture in New Zealand. Each city or region in the country also has a unique social and cultural identity. Respect for this diversity is an integral part of everyday life in New Zealand.
Okay guys, thank you. That's all my presentation about New Zealand. More or less apologize. Bye.